Hey, my mother got me a pocket watch. Look at it. It's nice. I tried to figure out how to set the time. It was a little annoying. I had to pop this thing, push it up. Tried that first, didn't work. Second time, it worked. So I think I set it up correctly. Still need a. I mean, I can read it. It just takes me a while. I love it. Also has a chain, also a little. My bad. This on it. Okay. This isn't a really good shirt, jacket to do it with, but I could clip it on the stuff. One moment. I really wish I knew how to edit. My apologies. There I go, hooked it on my sleeve. Not very practical, but it clips. Have a good day.